Find a formula for the sum of the first n even natural numbers, that is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus all the way through 2n. So, in this particular case, a sub 1 is equal to 2. A sub n is equal, of course, to 2n. And the formula for the sum would be S sub n is equal to n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. And substituting in S sub n would be equal to n over 2 times 2 plus 2n. Factoring a 2 from the parentheses, we would have n over 2 times 2 times 1 plus n. Now we can remove a factor of 1, the 2 over the 2, and that leaves us with S sub n equals n times 1 plus n. And just rewriting that in a more standard form, it would be S sub n equals n times n plus 1. And that would be our formula for the sum of the first n even natural numbers.